State of Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh is in doldrums. According to sources in Shiv Sena, Anil Deshmukh perhaps might just resign in the next couple of days. Yesterday, Sharad Pawar and Anil Deshmukh met in Delhi. And according to sources, Pawar had told Deshmukh that he will be removed. NCP also so far has remained tight-lipped on this issue as the Congress alleges BJP is playing politics. The NCP is going to be taking a decision on Anil Deshmukh very soon.
एनआईए ने वाजे को अरेस्ट कर लिया है। अभी उसके बाद में जो भी सामने आएगा वो उसके जड़ में जाने की कोशिश है, आवश्यकता है। इतना बड़ी चीज़ हुई है, हम सरकार भी, महाराष्ट्र सरकार गंभीरता से इसमें जांच कर रही है। हमारी अपेक्षा है कि ऐसे कुछ लेटर आने के बाद हमारी प्राथमिकता बदले नहीं, हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि इसमें जो कल्प्रिट्स है उनको ढूंढ निकालेंगे।
परमवीर सिंह जी ने जो आरोप लगाया इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए और अनिल देशमुख जी अगर इसी तरह की बात करते हैं कि 100 करोड़ रुपए हमको चाहिए और हर महीने को हमको इतना पैसा चाहिए और सचिन वाजे जैसी अगर उनके यहाँ ऐसी बात होती है तो मुझे लगता है कि भाई अनिल देशमुख को उस पद पर रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। उन्होंने फौरन अपने पद से इस्तीफा देने की आवश्यकता है।
And no more speculations over letter written by Parambir Singh to Uddhav Thackeray. Parambir Singh has confirmed that the letter accusing Maharashtra Home Minister of running an extortion racket is indeed written by him. The clarification is coming after it was pointed out that the letter was unsigned and that it was used using a Gmail ID instead of an official email address. Sources say the Chief Minister's office contacted Parambir Singh to confirm if the letter was indeed by him. The former Mumbai top cop, he said that a signed letter will soon be sent to Chief Minister very soon. As the former Mumbai top cop Parambir has alleged the Aghari government and cops extortion syndicate, that is a nexus between the government and the cops, let's now take a look at what this means for the key players who are involved in this. First off, let's start off with what this means for Anil Deshmukh. This pulls Anil Deshmukh into the larger Antillia mystery of the bomb scare. He may have no choice but to go ahead and resign. He may also perhaps face a central agency probe. So this is what it means for Anil Deshmukh. Now let's get to what this means for the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. He may have no choice but to order this particular probe, to be fair. He may have to ask the Home Minister to resign on the back of all these allegations that are leveled and until and unless his name clears off all these allegations. He also needs to answer if he was aware of any wrongdoing. And that's what it means for Uddhav Thackeray. Now, what this means for Parambir Singh, he needs to answer, why is he revealing all of this now? Perhaps he wasn't aware of this up until now. He just got the information, or did he know about it all along the way? Then questions arise as to why he's questioning all of this now. Now, if this is true, this shocker was happening under his watch. So how is it that he wasn't aware of it? The grilling over alleged Aghari government and police extortion nexus is what Parambir needs to be ready for as well. The Amani bomb scare probe case has just gotten murkier with former top cop, sensational charges on State Home Minister, politics explodes in Maharashtra. Here's a complete report.
ही प्रशासकीय बदली नाही आहे, गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत.
A statement given by Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh on former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh, who hit back with a bombshell letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. A letter which contains series of stunning allegations claiming Anil Deshmukh ordered arrested cop Waze to extort rupees 100 crore every month from over 1700 Mumbai bars and restaurants. Refuting the claims, Deshmukh threatened to sue the ex-top cop, saying that Parambir is trying to defame him and Uddhav government, and questioned why he was quiet for so long. Political slugfest exploded after the sensational twist. With Uddhav government cornered, sources in the Sena say that Deshmukh will resign in a day or two. Sena singing a completely different tune than what Sanjay Raut claimed just a few days ago on India Today.
ये महाराष्ट्र की मुंबई की बात है, सीमित है, उसका दायरा बहुत
सरकार पर कोई असर नहीं होगा।
सरकार पर कोई असर नहीं होगा। अगर लगता है, कोई भ्रम में है कि ये सब मामले लेकर हम दिल्ली में आएंगे और राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाएंगे, तो गहरे नींद में है।
But NCP is digging in its heels, crying conspiracy.
मेरी बहुत ही नम्रतापूर्वक विनंती है परमवीर सिंह साहब से कि अगर 4 मार्च को ऐसा आपको जानने में है तो आपने 4 मार्च से लेके 20 मार्च तक क्यों रुके? आपको इमीडिएटली दे देना चाहिए था। आज मुझे लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से सेंट्रल एजेंसीज के माध्यम से कुछ न कोई राजनीति करने की शायद कोशिश की होगी।
But sources say at a recent meet, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar had expressed his displeasure and raised complaints brought to his notice against Deshmukh. Congress, the third alliance partner, chose to play it safe.
I feel more information needs to be gathered on it, and probably when more information comes on it, if this allegation gets substantiated by some proofs, then probably we can react further.
Opposition BJP, though, has launched an all-out attack on Aghadi government, seeking Deshmukh's resignation.
ऐसे समय हमारी मांग है कि गृह मंत्री जी ने तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए
and demanding judicial intervention.
वो नहीं देते तो उनको मुख्यमंत्री जी ने हटाना चाहिए और इसकी निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए.
As the probe into Ambani bomb scare case deepens, the twists seem to be getting murkier and dirtier. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let me now walk you through what Parambir Singh has accused the Maharashtra Home Minister of, that is Anil Deshmukh of, and what Anil Deshmukh has said in his clarification. Number one, what is Parambir alleged? Vaze told to assist in collecting the funds. So this extortion charge, Vaze was the go-to person for the Home Minister according to Parambir Singh. Deshmukh's clarification is that Parambir Singh making false allegations. Now next, big charge coming in from Parambir Singh saying Vaze told to accumulate 100 crore rupees a month. This is an extortion charge of 100 crore rupees a month. What has Deshmukh said? Deshmukh says Parambir again making false claims of allegations to save himself. Next, what Parambir says, pointed out Anil Deshmukh's misdeeds rather to the Chief Minister. In fact, if you go through the letter, he has clearly gone ahead and given several different incidents in which he personally went and spoke to the Chief Minister as well. Deshmukh has clarified saying Vaze's involvement in bomb scare case becoming clear. Next, what has Parambir said? We'll go and get you all the more details of what Parambir has said. We'll keep getting you more from the letter as well, but we're breaking down the letter part by part for you. And these are the top allegations made by Parambir Singh and the counter coming in from Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Now, ahead of the release of manifesto, Prime Minister and Home Minister are going to be in poll-bound Bengal, bringing you all of that in just a bit.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.